Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make someone admin on Discord. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open Discord and search here Discord and open Discord. Let me open that. So once you open, click on open Discord and log in your account. I already log in my account, so you can see that. And here you can see my group, my server. Click on that and then you need to click on this icon and click on server settings, and then you need to click on roles, and here you need to click on create role. So you can name the role like admin if you want, and select the color. From here, if you want, you can choose image, and here you can allow anyone to mention this role, and here you can select the permissions. You can select permissions according to your choice which one to, and after that you've done all these steps, you simply need to click on save change. Once you click on save change, you can easily create an admin role for Discord. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.